EDaily conversation.
The boring habit.
Hello, how are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
Oh, okay. See you later then.
Wait, why is he leaving so fast?
Our conversation was very short and boring.
I always say the same 3 words.
I am fine is like a closed door.
I want to open the door wider.
Do you want to sound more natural?
Yes, I want to speak like a friend.
Most native speakers avoid saying, I am fine.
What do they say instead of that?
They use colorful words to describe their day.
My English feels very robotic and old.
We can change your habits in this video.
Please show me 10 new ways to answer.
I have a list of very easy phrases.
I am ready to throw away I am fine.
Stay with me to learn every single one.
Let's start our first lesson right now. Having a great day.
How are you doing this morning, Maria?
I am doing great. Thanks for asking.
You look very happy and full of energy.
I had a very long sleep last night.
A good sleep makes a big difference.
Honestly, I could not be better today.
Could not be better sounds very professional.
It means my life is perfect right now.
I am happy to see your big smile.
My morning coffee was also very delicious.
Use these phrases when you feel wonderful.
Should I use them with my boss too?
Yes, these words work for everyone.
I feel more positive when I say them.
People enjoy being around happy speakers.
I am doing great.
You are learning the rhythm very quickly.
Let's try some different feelings now.
Sometimes we feel just okay or normal.
What do we say for a normal day? The normal response.
Hey, how is your afternoon going?
Not bad, just busy with some work.
Not bad is a very common phrase.
Does it mean I am sad or happy?
It means you are okay and everything is okay.
I hear people say pretty good a lot.
Pretty good is a perfect casual answer.
I am having a pretty good day today.
It sounds much more natural than I am fine.
Is it polite to say not bad to elders?
Yes, it is a very polite response.
I like the way these words sound together.
They make you sound like a relaxed person.
My teacher said, I am fine is for health.
Usually, we use it when we are sick.
But I am healthy and working hard.
Then pretty good is the best choice.
I will write this down in my notebook.
Practice saying it with a calm voice.
Not bad. Pretty good. I like it. When life is busy.
I have not seen you in a week. I am just keeping busy with my projects. Keeping busy explains why you are away. My schedule is full from morning to night.
It is a very smart way to answer.
What if my life is boring and simple? You can say same as always to friends.
Same as always. Nothing new to report.
This shows that your life is stable.
I use this with my neighbors every day.
It invites the other person to talk more.
Keeping busy sounds like a successful person.
People respect someone who works very hard.
I am keeping busy with my English lessons.
That is the best way to spend time.
My brain feels tired but very happy.
Take a small break after this section.
I want to finish the whole list first.
You have a very strong spirit, Maria.
I want to speak English fluently and fast. Feeling a little tired.
You look a little bit sleepy today.
To be honest, I have been better.
I have been better means you are struggling.
I did not sleep well because of the rain.
It is okay to be honest about feelings.
Can I say I am a bit tired too?
Yes, a bit tired is very realistic.
I do not want to lie to my friends.
Real friends want to know the truth.
Will they feel sad if I say this?
No, they will probably try to help you.
Maybe they will buy me a hot tea.
Use a low voice for these specific phrases.
I have been better. I am a bit tired.
You sound very human when you say that.
Learning English involves sharing real emotions.
We are not robots from a science movie.
I feel comfortable using these honest words.
We only have 2 more phrases to go.
I am excited to see the final 2. Surprise and gratitude.
You have a giant smile on your face.
I feel better than ever this afternoon.
Did something amazing happen to you today?
I finally passed my big English exam.
Better than ever is a powerful response.
Everything feels wonderful and very bright.
Wonderful is a beautiful word to use.
It is much stronger than just saying good.
I can feel your happiness through your voice.
I am so glad I learned these 10 phrases.
Now you can choose the perfect one.
My conversations will be much longer now.
People will stay and talk to you more.
I am no longer afraid of "How are you?"
You have the tools for a great talk.
I will use wonderful when I see you.
I will use better than ever as well.
Let's review all the words together once.
Repetition is the secret to a good memory.
I am ready for the final summary. The final review.
Let's count our 10 new phrases now.
Number 1 is I am doing great.
Number 2 is could not be better.
Number 3 is the simple not bad.
Number 4 is the casual, pretty good.
Number 5 is keeping busy for workers.
Number 6 is same as always for routine.
Number 7 is the honest I have been better.
Number 8 is a bit tired for long days.
Number 9 is the joyful better than ever.
Number 10 is the lovely word, wonderful.
I feel like a new English speaker today.
You are moving away from beginner English.
No more I am fine for me anymore.
Which phrase is your favorite one?
I love better than ever the most.
Write your favorite in the comments below.
We want to hear from every single viewer.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
See you in the next story, everyone.